What is the Internet of Things? The Internet of Things (IoT) is a network of interconnected device machines, object, animals, or people with include individuals of transfer data over the internet. It's connect physical object to the internet to connect to data, automate or process and implement in CCs. How IoT works. IoT consists of web-enabled smart device and use enable system as processor, sensor, and communication hardware. This device collects, send, and act to data decoded from their environment in sample terms, allow device and collect to the internet. They interact with each other automatic process in environment being incisive. IoT through the years. 1990 John Rickel related the first IoT device at user controlled by computer. 1990 John Ray related the first IoT device at user controlled the computer. This demonstrates the potential of connecting everyday objects to computers. This is considered a significant milestone showcasing the basic concept of everyday object being controlled remotely via computer. 1990, Kevin Ashton coined the term Internet of Things, describing IoT as the eyes and ears of the computer. Computer implies an ability device to sense the internet that word and probability. Number 1. Context of things, a general introduction of the concept of IoT. Number 2. IoT through the years of historical overview of IoT development. Number 3. IoT benefits to organizations, the advantage of implementing IoT in business settings. Number 3. IoT security and private issue, a discrimination of the security and private challenge associated with IoT. Number 4. The future of the Internet of Things, produce of perspectives of the future of IoT. Number 5. IoT benefits to organizations, monitor their overall business process, improve on customer experience, save time and money, enhance employee productivity, integrate of other business models, makes a better business decisions. Pros and cons of IoT: ability to access information from anywhere at any time on any device. Improve communication between connected electronics devices. Transferring data packets over the internet, saving time and money. And automatic tax helps to improve the quality of the business service and in reducing of need for human interventions.